What if you could turn your nightly rest into a fat-burning powerhouse? Imagine your body working on burning fat while you're fast asleep. This isn't a dream, it's science. Today, we're uncovering a simple and powerful way to activate your body's natural fat-burning mechanisms using an evening tea that taps into your brown fat. If you're tired of struggling with belly fat and want to kickstart your metabolism overnight, this video is for you. Before we dive into the recipe, let's first understand the science behind brown fat and why it plays a key role in fat burning. We have two types of fat in our bodies, white fat and brown fat. White fat is the type most of us are familiar with. It's the stubborn fat that collects around our belly, thighs, and arms. It stores energy for future use, but it doesn't do much else. On the other hand, brown fat is the unsung hero of fat. It burns energy to produce heat and helps regulate our body temperature, especially during sleep when our body temperature tends to drop. Brown fat consumes the white fat and converts it into energy, which is why it's so beneficial for weight loss. Research shows that brown fat can be activated with certain foods and lifestyle habits. That's exactly what we're aiming to do with our evening tea. Now that we know the science, let's talk about the key ingredients that activate this fat-burning process. The tea I'll share today uses ingredients that have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Each one plays a role in boosting metabolism and helping your body convert white fat into brown fat. Key ingredients: turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, which not only activates brown fat but also acts as a potent anti-inflammatory. Chronic inflammation can slow down weight loss, so reducing it is crucial. Black pepper. The piped rind in black pepper increases the absorption of curcumin by up to 2000%, enhancing its effectiveness. Plus, black pepper itself helps stimulate thermogenesis, which is the process of generating heat to burn fat. Cinnamon. This spice does wonders for stabilizing blood sugar levels, which helps reduce fat storage, especially belly fat. It also promotes thermogenesis and improves insulin sensitivity. Coconut oil. Rich in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, coconut oil provides your body with quick energy, preventing fat storage. MCTs stimulate metabolism and fat burning, making them a great addition to your evening tea. Plant-based milk, whether it's almond or coconut milk, using unsweetened plant milk as a base adds nutrients without the extra sugars found in regular milk. How to make the tea. This tea is easy to make and only requires a few minutes of your time. Here's how. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, 1 cinnamon stick, or 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 cup of unsweetened plant milk, almond or coconut milk. Optional, a small amount of honey for sweetness. Instructions: heat the plant milk in a small pan over low heat. Before it begins to boil, add the turmeric, black pepper, cinnamon, and coconut oil. Stir constantly for 3 to 5 minutes, ensuring the ingredients blend well. Keep the heat low and avoid letting it boil. Once ready, strain the tea if necessary, especially if you used a cinnamon stick. Add honey if desired, and drink it warm 30–60 minutes before going to bed. While the primary focus of this tea is to activate brown fat and promote weight loss, it brings many other health benefits that make it a great addition to your nighttime routine. Improved sleep quality. Cinnamon and turmeric have calming properties that help relax the body and mind, promoting better, deeper sleep. Anti-inflammatory benefits. Turmeric and black pepper work together to reduce chronic inflammation in the body, which is crucial for maintaining overall health. Digestive aid. The ingredients in this tea can improve digestion, reduce bloating, and aid in nutrient absorption. Enhanced brain function. Curcumin and turmeric has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier and may help improve memory and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Let's take the example of Emily, a 65-year-old from California, who struggled with stubborn belly fat. After learning about the benefits of activating brown fat, she started drinking this evening tea every night. Within just a few weeks, Emily noticed a reduction in bloating and a decrease in her waist size. She also reported feeling more energized in the morning and experiencing fewer cravings for sugar. Emily says, "I've tried so many diets and weight loss methods, but nothing worked as well as this simple tea. I feel better, and the best part is that it doesn't feel like a struggle." To truly benefit from this tea, consistency is crucial. Drink the tea every night before bed for at least 21 days to start seeing visible changes. Use this time as a ritual to unwind and prepare for restful sleep. Turn off your devices, dim the lights, and focus on your tea and your relaxation. This is not just about fat burning, it's about improving your overall well-being. While this tea is made from natural ingredients, there are some precautions to keep in mind. Turmeric. If you are on blood-thinning medications, consult your doctor before using turmeric in high doses. Cinnamon. Cassia cinnamon, the most common variety, contains coumarin, which can affect the liver in large amounts. If you have liver issues, opt for Ceylon cinnamon or use it in moderation. Black pepper. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort, so start with a small amount and gradually increase. Coconut oil. It's rich in saturated fats, so if you have high cholesterol, speak to your doctor before consuming it regularly. In the first few weeks of using this tea, many people notice improvements in sleep quality and a reduction in bloating. After about 3 to 4 weeks, you may start seeing more significant results, such as a decrease in waist circumference, more energy upon waking, and fewer cravings for sugary foods. It's important to remember that brown fat activation is a gradual process. While this tea can help, it's not a magic bullet. It's a natural strategy to support your body in burning fat more efficiently while you sleep. This evening tea, simple and effective, is an excellent tool for anyone looking to activate brown fat and improve their metabolism. By incorporating natural ingredients like turmeric, cinnamon, and coconut oil, you can give your body the support it needs to burn fat naturally while you rest. Consistency is key. Make this tea a nightly ritual, and combine it with a balanced diet and regular physical activity for the best results. Remember, nature has given us powerful tools for weight loss, and brown fat activation is just one of them. If you're ready to activate your brown fat and take control of your metabolism, try this tea tonight. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more natural health tips. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more natural solutions that can help you live a healthier, fuller life. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your supplement or health routine.